conversion from ratio to fractions. So basically here is two steps. First of all, we need to convert or transform ratio into fraction, and then reduce the fraction is required. Well, let's start with an example. Say for example 12p to 9p. So it's a very basic problem. So to do this, the first digit, the first term of the ratio, we write it down at the top as 12p, and the second one we write it down below, right? So 9p. So let's reduce this, like p and p cancel. And how we are reducing? We are basically dividing, right? So also we can divide it using 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. If you don't understand, it seems like something like that. 12p divided by 3p, and also 9p divided by 3p. So here it is, p cancel, is produce something. So when we divide 9 by 3 is produce 3, and p cancel, and 12 divided by 3 it is 4, so which is 4 by 3. So this is our answer, right? Okay, fine. So here's number 2. Take it something called 17 whole 1 by 2 p or pennies to 12 whole 1 over 2 p. So before converting into fraction or transforming into fraction format, let's do some other work. Like we can write it down in this format. So you know that this is a mixed fraction, right? So we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. To do this, what we usually do, so we write the denominator right here and multiply the whole with the denominator, and then add the numerator. In this case, numerator is 1. And what is the answer? Here it is 17 to the 34 plus 1 over 2 equal 35 over 2, right? And the second one, which is the 12 whole 1 by 2, so we can write it down 12 denominator, and then whole 12 times 2 plus numerator, which is 1, and in that case our answer will be 24 plus 1, or 25 over 2, right? So we can simply write it here, implement this. Our result over here is 35 over 2p to 25 over 2p, right? So for the sake of simplicity, we can reduce 2 from here and also from here, or we can simply write it down as 35p to 25p, right? So now transform into fraction, it will be 35p over 25p, right? So now cancel p cancel, or p cancel, right? Now divide this both by 5, as it is divisible by 5. So we divide first of all 25 by 5, it produce 5 5s are 25, and multiply uh, and then the divide also 35 by 5 is 5 7s are 35. So our answer in this case 7 over 5. All right. Okay. Number 3, right? Number 3 is something 2.5 centimeter to 4.5 centimeter. So to convert into fractions, so let's do some preparation work. So we can multiply both by 10 to remove the decimal. So in that case it will be 2.4 times 10 centimeter to 4.5 times 10 centimeter, right? So what L, it is 25 centimeter to 45 cm. So now just write it down in fraction format, 25 cm over 45 cm. Now reduce it, cm cancel, and both are divisible by 5. So use 5 9s are 45, and 5 5s are 25. So our answer would be 5 over 9, right? This is answer. This is number 4. I take it number 4 as 4 square centimeter to 18 square centimeters. Is very simple, so write it down, 4 centimeter over 18 square centimeter. Square centimeter cancel, and both is divisible by 2. So let's do this as both are even number, divisible by 2. So 18 divided by 2 produce what? Question is 9, and 2 2s are 4. So our answer is 2 over 9, right? So another one, number 5, which is 50 kg is to 800 kg, right? So write it just simply in fraction format, 50 kg divided by 800 kg. So what we're going to do, we are just going to cancel it out by 50. Kg cancel, this 0 cancel, here is 5, here is 80. So 5 ones are 5, and we can divide the 80 by 5. So if you divide 80 by 5, it's produce something, 5 ones are 5, here is 3 0 and 6, 5 6 are 30. All right, so our answer will be 1 at the top, and the bottom is 16. So answer is 1 over 16. Number 6 is half kg is to 3 kg, right? So here we can do some preparatory work. We can make it simple by multiplying both by 2, right? Is 1 by 2 kg multiplied by 2, and 3 kg multiply by 2, it is what? So 2 2's are cancel. Here is 1 kg, and here is 3 2's are 6 kg, right? So now write it down as a fraction format: 1 kg, then 6 kg. In fact, you can cancel out kg from both sides before. Our answer is 1 by 6. So we can do this in another way, right? If you find it difficult, so is method 2. All right, half kg is to 3 kg. Okay, so you can write it down. So cancel out the kg. Okay, it's now it is 1 by 2. Here is 3, right? So we can write it down that is this upper part 1 by 2, right? And denominator would be 3. So what we can do is a division relationship. So we know how to divide a fraction. If it is divide, we write it, multiply this, and we just we need to reciprocal other stuff. 3 means 1 by 3. So if we reciprocate this, means alter, denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So in this case 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So what we can do here, we can just multiply both this one and that one. 1 1's a 1 and 2 3's a 6. So our answer is 1 by 6. Hope you understand. Well, so you go for another one. We call it what, number 7, right? Number 7 is 3 centimeter to 4 meter. So here is something exceptional. Here is centimeter and here is meter. So what we can do, this is to avoid the decimal, we just need to convert the meter into centimeter. So how we can do this, we can write like this, that we know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, right? So we have 4 meter, right? So 4 meter equal 100 times 4 centimeter, which is 400 cm. Got it? Okay. As it is 400 cm, so now we can write in this way. Our so 3 cm is to 400 cm. So make it simple, cm cancel, and here is 3 over 400. You can reduce this, but no need to reduce it, it's okay. So our answer is 3 over 400. All right, so now number 8, right? Number 8 is 10 square centimeter to 1 square meter. So here is the square meter. Like before, we can write, we know many things, but what we know in this case, we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So what we need to 1 square meter, so to make it square, right? So we can write 1 square meter equal to 100 centimeter square. I mean, we have to square this. Both square means 100 times 100, and we simply write centimeter square, right? So 100 times 100 is 1 0 0 0 0. Yeah, so in this case 10,000 square centimeter. So now we can write 10 cm square is to 10,000 cm square. Cm square cancel, simply 10 over 10,000. So now cancel out the zeros from here, so our answer would be 1 over 1000. So this is our answer. Okay, so now number 9, 1 whole 5 over 8, 2 whole 1 over 8. So for before transforming into fraction, so as it is mixed fraction, we need to convert it into improper fraction. So how to do this? We have done this before. So here is denominator. What we need to do? We need to just write something like that. 8 1 times 8 plus 5, which is 8 plus 5 in fact, and this is 13 over 8, right? And second one, 2 times 8 plus 1 over 8 equal 16 plus 1 by 8, and which is 17 over 8. So we can simply write it as 13 over 8 is to 17 over 8. So you just cancel out 8 from both, and we have 13 is to 17, and just write it into fraction format. 13 over 17. This is our answer. Now number 10 is 2x to 3x, right? So we write it down like 2x over 3x. Cancel out x and x. Our answer is 2 by 3. This is our answer. Alright, so well, we'll be continuing this lesson next class. See you soon.